So if you're trying to host a Zoom meeting for the first time, well, it's pretty simple. First, you need to install the Zoom app. After you install the Zoom app, click on the new meeting option. From the new meeting option, this thing will pop up. Once this thing pops up, wait for some time. It's going to connect. Once this is connected, you want to choose the microphone you want to use. From here, you want to choose your webcam you want to use. And from here, what you can do is click on start and wait for some time, and your Zoom meeting will start with you being the host. Now, what you can do is click on participants and click on invite, click on copy link. And once you do that, to whoever person you give this link to, they can click on it and join this meeting. And they need to enter this code. So this is basically the password for the meeting. So make sure to share them this password as well. And if you want to invite someone through email, click on email, click on Gmail and invite them through Gmail. So this is the way on how you guys can host a meeting. And if you want to end it, just click on end and click on end meeting for all, and the meeting will be ended. That's how you guys can end a meeting and start a meeting for the first time in Zoom. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.